What's up? Back again with me, my channel. Today I'm going to review the Dainese Valentino Rossi replica gloves. This is the 2008 edition, and these gloves are one of the gorgeous, in my opinion, that Dainese ever made for Folly, because the concept and the design, everything, this is very good. I have no words for this one. This is very nice, unlike the latest, just plain. And with these, I like with a lot of new design, new colors, I think, because it's not only a yellow fluo color and the white colors. As you can see here, we have like some new design for the for how it look like, I mean. And this glove not far away from the Dainese Valentino Rossi replica glove 2007 edition, and this is the next generation again for the Dainese metal glove. Why I say like that? Because it has some new things, but for the Valentino Rossi replica gloves. Okay, let's talk about this glove. And as we can see, the design still has the same metal things here. Okay, this is same thing with the carbon fiber, with the doggy, with the metal. And it has carbon here near the knuckles, and same way with the DCP, and same way I think yeah, same thing with this one, with the Dainese logo. And as you can see, this is still old Dainese logo. This is not a new one. Again, this is a 2008 glove edition, and now is 2025. And let me flip it over so you can see. Okay, so this is the other side, not much far away from the previous. Same way, same thing. They're using the white color inside. Okay, and the best thing for, let's talk about the best thing for this glove. It has a new design for the glove, and as we can see here, this usually the last glove that I reviewed, the 2007, just plain yellow fluo color. But to this glove, as you can see, this has some like stars, whatever here. This like mixed with the if you have the, or you ever saw the Dainese Axial Pro in Replica Rossi boots 2007 and 8. Oh, I'm sorry, 2008 and 9. You will see this one like mixed with the Aborigine, and it has a dragon, as you can see here. It's a very nice one. Okay, and as you can see again on the other side, it's the same way, same thing. Okay, same dragon. Okay, it's very colorful. And this area, guys, okay, as you can see, it doesn't plain yellow fluo, but still with the new design, the motif, whatever it is, it's there. So this is like a hand, like a 5 hand, like that. Like, that's why I say the Aborigine motif, this one. And the new feature, I mean the new logo that we will see in this glove is the VR46 logo, which is in here, as you can see there. VR46 logo that, as we know, until now in 2025. So this is the first glove that Vale or Dainese ever set the VR46 logo into a glove. So back way in 2008 already like this, guys. So if you see now or the previous glove in 2021, it has it. Well, the old days already like this since 2008. So now you can see these very old, the design, and until now they're still using it, even until for the sponsors for the Ducati. You can see this logo like the VR46 or the maybe the VR Academy, and what else, that's the new, and okay, yep. And as like before, still has this one, is the latest, and they're adding this one for getting a new grip, for the grip getting better. And again, the same way it has the DCP. So that's the new. And again, this glove very catching eye, very colorful, and in my opinion, if I compare with the other Dainese Valentino Rossi replica glove, these are the best. I think these are the most iconic, I think, because these are the last. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, these are the last for the Dainese Valentino Rossi replica glove that set it up with this doggy logo. Later, okay, let me show you the 2009 glove, because the doggy logo is different. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, here I have the 2009 Dainese Valentino Rossi glove. Is quite similar with the 2008. I'm not gonna review this one. I will review after this, but at least you can see in back way 2009, the 2009 edition, they use this doggo logo, which this doggy logo, Vale using it, put it into his bike on the tail, if you pay attention. But Vale never used this again, but Vale instead he used this one. So that's the difference, at least you guys can see. But you can see same with the metal things, leather, and the carbon fiber, all the same. So again, I'm not gonna reviewing this now, it's gonna be separate, but at least you can see the difference. Okay, back again. So guys, that's the difference, and that's why I said this is gonna be the last, because for the 2008, 2007, and 2006, they are using the same doggy logo here on the metal. They printed here with the titanium color blue, and again it has VR46 logo. So that's, I think so, they are the new one. And what else? And I think this is gonna be the last Dainese will use this logo for the old Dainese logo, because if you pay attention, the new one after this, the logo is kind of sharp. Okay, I'll take the 2009 glove again. As you can see, it's quite a little bit sharp and kind of different with this. So this is the old one, okay, and this is the 2009. So more sharp and more a little the size, which is more better Then this is the old one. As you can see, it's like a robot. So it's different. Okay, and the difference between the 2009 and the 2008 with the on the strap is this one. So this one just like the Dainese logo here and with the yellow fluo, but on the 2009 it has this Dainese adding a black color, so it lasts yellow fluo and this new brand new Dainese logo. And again guys, still with the VR46, but it getting smaller. So again and again, as I said, this glove, the 2008, is the first ever for Dainese using the VR46 logo. And ever since this one, you will see this logo a lot. Okay, so, and I think that's the review for the good things, and let's review the bad things for this. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, if you have these, trust me guys, try not to sell it. In my opinion, again, this is the historical, because this glove has everything, which is the metal design protectors with the blue Dainese logo here, that many years Dainese using it until I think until 2020, or maybe now. I'm not following Dainese again back in, I mean, until nowadays. So, but I believe still in 2020, if I'm not wrong, 2020, 2021, Dainese still using these metal things like this one with the carbon fiber. So it's very old and quite a long time Dainese using it. And since these gloves, as you can see, also, what else? Oh, this one again, the DCP, and this one, this like for better grip. Okay, and also not to forget, as usual, on the left hand for the clutch, Vale always adding this square little things, I mean the square little design letter. So again, there's no hole to this glove, it is like this. As you can see my other video, the 2007, either 2006, it has things like this. So this is normal what you see like this. This is not a broken glove, no. It is what it is. This is how the way Dainese designed it for Vale, for better grip on the for the clutch. Okay, so now let's review the bad things again. All the Dainese logo, I think back way since old days until now, these are the crucial, this area are the crucial. Why I say are for these two? Because if you rub it, this is gonna be broken very easy. This is just like a very soft sweat materials that they're printing with the Dainese logo here, racing equipment, blah blah blah, I really disagree why for this gorgeous glove they using this kind of material is totally awful, and like a cheap glove, it's like very easy to broken. But I don't know, it is what it is. Okay, that's the first. And the second, what else? Oh, okay, since these are new design, so whoever you guys who buying this or having this glove, don't be surprised, because this old, again, this is 2008 and now it's 2025. Don't be surprised with the, how to say, the damage that will occur with this glove, which as you can see, this glove very has nice color for the black, on the black color here. Yes, but when you bend it, like you squeeze it like this, okay, if you wore it, you will get these so you don't be surprised. Let me take it. Okay, do you see that, guys? uh, this camera might not that good, but let me try to use. Can you see that in here? It's like a crack, you know, like a crack, like a crack spider line. See that? You guys, hopefully I know it's kind of blur with this camera. It's not new camera, this is old camera, sorry about that. So any, like, I mean, saying this is my hand, this is the glove, with the glove, you will see the crack around this and around this. So that's the crack line you will get. So like, if you can see that one, okay, so like, hard to say. That's all I can say, guys. And another one, same way with these, with in this area, usually easy to, as you can see, this is still shiny black, yes, but some gloves when they're getting old, the damage will be here, the crack will be cracked, some crack here, you will see it, because they do the printing very thin. I think they're using like very thin glove, because I can feel, you